Hi, welcome to Lanka Premier Foods. We are going to show you how to make moist chocolate cake by using Baker's Mate Moist Chocolate Cake Mix. This product is available in all leading supermarkets in Sri Lanka. I have Chef Jagat here with me. So hi Chef.
Hi.
I think you're going to show us how to make step by steps.
Yeah, definitely.
Yes.
Gayatri, first of all, you have to preheat the oven to 170 to 175 centigrades.
Okay.
Normally, the cake bakes in 180, but this particular cake we bake a little bit lower temperature because it's a bit heavy cake.
Okay.
So it takes a little bit long time to bake. So baking time will be about 45 to 55 minutes.
Okay. Yes. Beat all ingredients for 1 minute on slow speed and 2 minutes on medium speed. So we are going to use two speeds. One is for 1 minute.
Now I put 3 eggs.
Okay.
90 milliliters of water. Then
Vegetable oil 205 milliliters.
205 milliliters.
Yes, 1
So
cup
that
of
means we put all
ingredients together. Yes.
Then I can increase the speed, no?
And then medium speed for 2 minutes.
Okay.
You need to increase the speed for 2 minutes time. So altogether we need to beat for 3 minutes.
Only thing, I pour this mixture into 2
Baking trays?
baking
Okay.
round baking
Pour butter
trays.
into baking
Yeah.
tray, yes.
Already
And before
done.
starting with the mixing, we need to keep these two
Ready with the
yeah.
papers, no? Right. So I keep the timing for 50 minutes.
45 to 55 minutes.
45 to 50
Yes.
minutes. We'll with the toothpick and check the center. It's baked,
It's dry.
dry. That means it's ready to take
It's ready to take out.
You know that with this one,
Okay, chef.
this particular cake,
Okay.
if you like, you can eat as it is,
Okay.
or else you can sandwich with the chocolate cream, or you can fill with anything like a berries or anything. And
Or
you
butter
can
icing, chocolate butter icing or
Yeah, with
something?
the chocolate butter icing. Yeah, exactly. With the chocolate
Okay.
butter icing also, it's very nice.
Okay. What are you going to do, chef, now?
I will sandwich this with chocolate mousse cream.
Okay. Same as sponge cake,
Same
I
as
think.
sponge
Yes.
cake, but with the chocolate cream. No?
Okay.
Again, here we'll take the small thin layer of
Crust.
crust out. And cut into 2. See, can you look at this?
Yes.
I told you, it is
Ah,
very
yes.
much
As you
moist.
said, I can see
Yeah, it's very much moist.
moist texture
Yeah,
inside.
moist texture inside.
You're gonna make chocolate icing cake with chocolate moist cake
Chocolate
mix.
moist cake, yes. I'd like to taste the moist chocolate cake.
Yeah, moist chocolate cake
Super, no?
with icing actually, no?
How?
Wow, fabulous.
Superb, no?
Yes,
Yeah.
superb.